the mystery behind round cabbage, from cells to superfood. Have you ever, while chopping cabbage for a side dish or vegetable, stopped and wondered where this nearly perfectly round object came from? Why is its shape so compact and symmetrical? It seems ordinary, until one day we see it from a completely different perspective. Look, this is the closest and clearest detail of how white cabbage leaves look like. What you see are the black spots and the microfibers visible on the white cabbage leaves. This is what happens when the white cabbage leaves have not been cleaned, when they have just been bought from the market. Today, we're not just giving cooking advice. We're going to delve into a secret world. We're going to enter the labyrinth of its cells, follow its mysterious highway, and decipher why this humble vegetable is secretly a superhero. It's a science adventure on our dinner plates. Let's begin the exploration. All these secrets start from one small point, the architect, or growth point. Think of him as a super busy factory director, constantly producing new leaves. But there's a clever strategy here. Each new leaf pushes outward, but because of limited space and rapid growth, the leaf tip is forced to curl inward, compressing the leaves below it. Layer by layer, this pressure creates a dense structure called the crop. This is a living fortress. This spherical shape protects the heart of the plant from the innermost young leaves. This crop also protects against sunburn, insect bites, and water loss. So, its round shape is no accident, but an evolutionary masterpiece for survival. Next time you hold a cabbage, remember, you're holding a clever and efficient fortress. But this is just the surface story. The real magic lies within. And there it is, another world. When we dim the light of the microscope, something magical happens. Hidden details emerge from the shadows. See those little dark spots? They're the leaf openings, or stomata. They're the plant's gateways for respiration and gas exchange. Each spot is guarded by two intelligent guard cells, which can open and close as needed. And that shiny, waxy surface you see, it is the cell wall of the epidermis itself. Plants coat themselves with a cuticle, a kind of natural wax, to prevent drying out. This sheen is physical evidence of their natural raincoat. Then, structures like fiber optic cables or giant highways. This is the circulatory system of plant life. The vascular bundles. Xylem, the water pipe, transports water from the roots to the tops of the leaves. Meanwhile, the phloem, the food pipe, distributes sugars produced by photosynthesis throughout the plant. They are a never-sleeping nutrient highway. But the world isn't always perfect. Sometimes we see brown, rust-like stains. This is usually a sign of bruising or enzymatic damage. When cells are injured, their contents mix with air, triggering a chemical reaction that produces brown pigment. Just like an apple that changes color after being peeled, this is the body language of a plant that is sick. Now, after seeing how complex and alive this structure is, a big question arises. What do we get when we eat it? The answer is, we get the wonders of the microcosm in the form of nutrients for our bodies. White cabbage is low in calories, but high in nutrients. It is packed with vitamin C for the body's immune system, fiber for cleansing and healthy digestion, vitamin K for strong bones, and the coolest thing, sulfur compounds like sulforaphane. Think of sulforaphane as a special agent that triggers our cell's own natural defense system to fight stress and free radicals. So, what's the best way to consume this natural masterpiece? Remember those magical vitamin C and enzymes? They're heat sensitive, so eaten raw it's the best. The full nutritional content is preserved. Just make sure to wash it very thoroughly. Boiling briefly is a smart choice. Short cooking softens the fibers while retaining most of their strength. Frying, be careful. Water-soluble nutrients can be lost in the cooking liquid, and frying actually adds a fat load to this otherwise very light food. So, from now on, every time you look at, cut, or chew a slice of white cabbage, science isn't just in high-tech labs. It's in our kitchens, on our plates. It just takes curiosity to discover it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because we'll be uncovering scientific mysteries from other ordinary objects. See you on the next science adventure.